Hi, my fellow investors. This is your boy Andres, and I just completed my 10th month in investing on my M1 Finance. So, welcome to my channel. We got 2 more months of investing until my 1 year of M1 Finance is complete. I'm excited to see how much I'm gonna make by the end of this year. If you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe and of course ruthlessly hit that like button until it turns blue. Before I go through my stocks, I'm gonna let you guys know that I invested $800 this month, and of course you will see a bunch of red because this month has been a bad month for the stock market. But I hope that you guys keep investing to accumulate more stock while the market is down. All right, we'll go through my stocks and let's change this to month. All right, we'll save the no dividend for later, so let's go to my technology first. For this month, NVIDIA, I lost $100.08, which is down 7.80%. Microsoft, I lost $41.93, which is down 3.74%. Apple, I lost $60.58, which is down 6.72%. Skyworks, I lost $30.67, which is down 3.78%. So as you guys can see, all of my technology stocks are down this week. For my technology this month, I lost $233.26, which is down 5.67%. I did not earn any dividends. Let's go to my consumer, which is 12% of my pie. This month, my Procter & Gamble, I lost $7.05, which is down 1.06%. McDonald's, I lost $22.52, which is down 3.41%. So overall, my consumer, I lost $29.57, which is down 2.23%. My earned dividends is $3.85. Consumer, even if it lost, it's still not a bad loss for this month. Now let's go to my industrial, which is 8% of my pie. So for my industrial, Honeywell, I lost a whopping 30 cents, which is down 0.03%. I did not earn any dividends. This is amazing. My industrial lost only 30 cents this month, so it is not a bad loss. Now we'll go to my favorite slice of my pie, which is my no dividend. I should change this to growth stocks because that's what they are. They've been giving me good returns this past few months. No dividends is 42% of my pie. Tesla, I lost $266.15, which is down 10.11%. Wow, that's pretty big loss. My Square, I lost $68.79, which is down 6.66%. Wow, my only winner for this month. Roku, I gained $56.75, which is up 6.89%. So I'm proud of this stock, the only winner for this month. For my no dividend this month, I lost $278.19, which is down 6.20%. So as you guys can see, this month is a red month. I lost some money. My biggest loss is from my no dividend stocks, which is 6.20% loss. This is still not bad. I think October was just a bad month. I'm hoping that it's gonna go back up next month. For my moneymaker for this month, I lost $566.49, which is down 4.92%. My earned dividends is $3.85. So like I was saying in the beginning of the video, 10 months down, 2 more months to go. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see the final amount of money on the 12th month and the 31st of December. So I'm so excited with that. My original goal, like I was saying, this past few weeks was 10K when I started this journey. Now I'm at $11,338. I'm still winning, guys. If you guys look at my overall, I'm still winning $1,600. I'm still getting 30.28% return. So this is still amazing. I mean, yeah, it is red this month, but overall, it's killing it so far. All right, like I always tell you guys, keep investing, keep growing that wealth. Don't sell your stocks when the market is crashing. Just consider them as they are on sale, so just keep buying them. Just keep buying them if you have money because it's gonna go back up. All right, so keep investing, guys. Keep growing that wealth. I'll see you guys again.